After months of beta testing, iOS 18 had just about landed on the scene. Packed with a ton of exciting features, the latest iteration of iOS is a massive update. Before installing the latest update, you should make sure to perfectly prepare your iPhone so that unexpected hurdles will stay away during installation. On this very note, let's talk about the best tips and tricks to get your iPhone ready for iOS 18. First off, I would recommend you to declutter your iPhone. To get us started, make sure to completely declutter your iPhone, thereby eliminating all the useless files, photos, videos, songs and more. If the storage of your iOS device is infested with a lot of redundant files, the software installation might struggle to finish. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone, then select General. After that, choose iPhone Storage. Then take a look at the storage status and find out the apps that have stored maximum data. Having inspected the entire list of apps, wipe out the clutter to recover as much space on your iPhone as you can. Then I would recommend you to update all apps on your iOS device. Another important thing that you should do beforehand is to update all apps. It will help not only keep issues like app crashing and freezing away, but also make them run smoothly. To do so, you have to open the App Store app on your iPhone. Then ensure that the Today tab is selected. Then you have to tap on your profile. And then you have to scroll down to view the list of apps and then update them all. And then I would recommend you to hard reset your iPhone. There is a lot to like about the hard reset. For one, it works efficiently in cleaning up the temporary files, which often works wonders in fixing annoying issues. Therefore, I would suggest you to force reset your device beforehand. To do so, you have to press and release the volume up button, then you have to press and release the volume down button, and then you have to hold down the side button, the power button, until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Then I would recommend you to make an encrypted backup of your iPhone. It's always a good idea to make an encrypted backup of your iPhone before installing a beta software or a new update. With the latest update available, you can recover the accidentally lost data or even downgrade to iOS 17 without much pain if ever the need arrives to do so. Now, if you want to make an encrypted backup of your iPhone on your Mac, just connect your iPhone to your Mac with the help of a compatible USB cable and then launch Finder. Then you have to select your iPhone in the left sidebar, and then you have to check the box for Encrypt Local Backup and then create a password and confirm the action. And if you want to make an encrypted iPhone backup on your Windows PC, make sure that iTunes is updated on your device. If iTunes is not updated, open the Microsoft Store app and then click on the Library tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down to find the iTunes app and then update it. And once you have updated the iTunes app, you have to connect your iPhone to your Windows device and then you have to launch iTunes. And then you have to select your iPhone, and then you have to check the box for Encrypt Local Backup and confirm the action. And finally, you have to download and install iOS 18 on your iPhone. Having taken care of all the important requirements, ensure that your iPhone is connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network as well. If you have sufficient cellular data, you can also use it to install the update on your device. To do so, just open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select General. After that, choose Software Update, and then you have to download and install the latest update as usual. And that's pretty much it. So, these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to prepare your iPhone for iOS 18 installation. Now, make sure to get through these key requirements so that nothing will block your path. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.